Starting on August 21st, all students will need to check in on My Flagler. As part of the check-in process, we're asking students to take a pledge to engage in practices like wearing a mask, social distancing, and sanitizing your workspaces to help keep our campus safe from the spread of the coronavirus. We're asking members of our campus community to share with us why they're committing to taking this pledge, and I'll start. I miss seeing students in the library, in my office, and around campus, and I'm committing to wearing a mask and engaging other safe behaviors to try to get us back to normal as quickly as possible.
Here at Admissions, we're taking the pledge because
we're ready to welcome families back on campus and visit them in their hometowns.
And so our students can enjoy St. Augustine to its fullest.
Hello, Flagler community. This is Coach Beal, and I speak for the entire athletic department when I say we're excited and ready to have students back on campus. We've got the Saints Health Plus app ready to go. We're going to use it every day, just like the students. We're committed to keeping this campus a happy and healthy community. We've got our masks ready to go, our temperature guns, we're going to use at every practice and meeting, and our hand sanitizers at our workstation. We can't wait to have students back in our lives, whether it's 6 feet or 16 feet, whatever it takes, we're going to do it to keep this community happy, healthy, and safe. Go Saints.
In the Division of Student Affairs, we are committed to wearing our masks for your health and safety. Right, guys?
Hey everyone, this is Cody Gates from the Financial Aid Offices at Flagler College. This year we'll all be asked to sign the Saints Health Pledge in order to keep our campus environment as safe as possible. I just wanted to let you know that I'll be also participating in this and doing things like wearing a mask and keeping a safe distance from one another, because I love having everyone on campus and I can't wait to make sure that everyone has a great and safe semester.
Hi, I'm Jessie Rutland, the Collection Development Librarian. I commit to do everything I can this fall, including wearing a mask, to help keep our students, faculty, and staff safe in the library. I'm really excited to have everyone back on campus and in the library, and I'm really looking forward to helping you all with your research papers and other information needs. See you soon.
Here at Flagler College's International Center, we join the pledge to keep our St. Augustine community and campus community safe.
We wear our masks for you. And we can't wait to see you in the fall.
See you soon.
Hi, my name is Andrea Carlisle. I am the Education Department Chair at the Tallahassee campus, and I'm taking the Saints Health Pledge so that we can all return to our wonderful campus and our culture and our community that makes Flagler so unique.
I will be signing the Healthy Saints Pledge because as an alumni from the class of 2017, Flagler is my second home. I miss seeing everybody here on campus, and remember, you belong here.
My name is Sarah Upchurch. I work in the case office, and the reason I wear my mask around campus is because I am much funnier in person. So the sooner we are all back in the classroom, the better.
Hi, my name is Karis Parker. I work in the Office of Special Events. I am signing this pledge in honor of mindfulness and of kindness, and so that way I can help create a safe space for students, faculty, and staff.
Hi, my name is Anna Gilbert, and I work in the Office of Special Events. I'm choosing to make this pledge because I want to know that I'm doing everything in my power to help those around me, to both be safe and to feel safe.
My name is Harriet Tambini, and I work for the Institutional Advancement Office. I'm signing this pledge because I want to do my part to protect our Flagler community and keep those around me safe.
Hi, my name is Whitney Schaefer, and I am the Director of Alumni Relations, and I'm taking the Saints Health Pledge. I will be wearing a mask when I'm out running my errands because I want to protect my community.